In this video, I will show how to import table from PDF in Excel. So file, click here this your empty or your required file where you want to import table from PDF. Then click on data. Now get data. Here select from file. You can import the table from folder and there are some more options. Select here from PDF. Now find out your PDF. Now wait for a few seconds. So here we will get these pages where we have the table in our PDF. Select any table which you need, then click on load. So this is the way you can import the table from PDF.